Do you know that you can make $5 just for recreating pictures with transparent backgrounds? Hi guys, I'm back with a new video and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how people actually made over $3,920 with this simple idea. Something you can learn in one day and implement it right now and start making money with it right now. And that's only with Fiverr and Photoshop. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. So you probably know what Fiverr is, but if you don't, Fiverr is the leading marketplace for services starting at just $5. So lots of people buy and sell services and also products every day through Fiverr. The available services range from business promotion, social networking, advertisements for funny videos, graphic design, translations, and a lot of other services. So these offered services are actually called gigs on Fiverr, and you can find almost anything you need on this website. So people from all over the world visit the website to offer their services and expertise, and this is how people are making thousands of dollars constantly with some simple and easy to implement ideas that you can do in just a matter of one day. You can learn some of these services or some of those gigs in like 2 days or 3 days. It's not that hard, guys. Okay, so like transparent backgrounds, okay, and this is what we are gonna talk about in this video: transparent background. So take a look at this, guys. This seller right here, we can say that he made over $3,920 just with this simple gig by recreating pictures with transparent background, something that you can do right now with Photoshop. It is very easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do that and why I said $3,920. That's because for every $5 you make, you're actually making $3.92 and not $5. Why? Because Fiverr will take 20% and there is another 2% fee to transfer your money to PayPal. So you only get $3,920 for every 1,000 gig. Okay, so all you need to do is to create your gig, and I've shown the best practices on how to do that in this video. So go and take a look at it at the end of this video. I'm gonna put it on screen, but what you need, guys, is Photoshop. You really need this application. Okay, so you can get a paid version, but also you can find some cracked version. But if you have some money, I would suggest to go and get the paid version, okay, not the cracked version, because sometimes cracked version they have some kind of trojans and viruses and something like that. So I won't recommend that. But if you don't have money, you have nothing to do, go and get a cracked version in that case. So let me show you how to make those transparent backgrounds. All you have to do is to go to Photoshop. Okay, so this is Photoshop, guys. Actually, you know what is Photoshop. No one doesn't know this. So if you want to make transparent backgrounds, it is really easy. You can do that by just clicking on select subject if you have Photoshop CC. If you don't have that, well, you can do that with this pen tool here. Okay, you can do this also with the let me show you. This is the pen tool, I'm sorry, with the pen tool here. Okay, you can do this with the quick selection tool here, or you can do it with the select subject if you have the Photoshop CC. So let's say that you don't have the Photoshop CC. Let's start with this one. Okay, what you have to do is to do like that. Okay, you have to select the object that you don't want to make it transparent. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, let's say that we want to keep the table and the laptop, but we want to make this white background transparent. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do. Okay, let's add this here. Okay, alright, it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, now that's great. You see, that's pretty easy. All you have to do is click here and click layer via copy. Now once you've done, remove this. Now that means that the background is transparent. You can just go here and click save as. Okay, and choose the PNG file or the JPEG file, but I would suggest to choose the PNG file because PNG files are actually high resolutions pictures. So this is all what you have to do. You can do other things because with some pictures you don't have the white background, so you have a background like in a picture, in a natural background, in a landscape, something like that. So it's not just a one color background. What you have to do in that case, you will have to take a look at the fringing. If you see like a white fringing, you can remove it with this simple filter here. You can go to other and click to minimum. Okay, and with this, so with this filter you can remove the fringing. Okay, if you have like white fringing or some color fringing here, you can remove it with this application or with this filter, I'm sorry. So like you've seen here, it is really easy. So now you've done this in like 2 minutes or at least. Okay, so we can do this with actually every image right there. And if there is any problem with making transparent backgrounds, for example, we want to remove this part here. Okay, so we will zoom in. Let me show you how you can do this. You can zoom in and go to the polygonal laser tool, and let's see that you want to. Okay, now let's remove this part like you're seeing here. Now it's gone. See, this is very easy, and people are actually making thousands of dollars just by doing this simple thing. So I wish that you liked this video, guys, and if you want to learn more about how to make the transparent backgrounds, I would suggest to go to YouTube like we all do and search transparent backgrounds on Photoshop, and you will have tons of videos showing you how you can do this. Okay, it is really easy, and you can learn that in actually 1 day. So don't waste your time, start making some money. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.